Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Viennese biscuits with an easy guide. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of softened butter, 60 grams of icing sugar, and 200 grams of plain flour. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for the best results. Also, have a piping bag with a star nozzle ready for shaping. This will ensure your biscuits look beautiful and professional. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your 200 grams of softened butter with 60 grams of icing sugar until light and fluffy. Next, gradually sift in 200 grams of plain flour and a small pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients gently until a soft, pliable dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the biscuits tough. We want them tender and melt in your mouth. With your dough ready, it's time to get creative with shaping. Load your piping bag and pipe various beautiful shapes onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Remember to leave a small gap of about 2 centimeters between each biscuit to allow for slight spreading. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are lightly golden at the edges. Once your delightful Viennese biscuits are baked, the final step is to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before decorating. For a classic touch, you can dip 1/2 of each cooled biscuit into some rich, melted chocolate. If you're feeling extra fancy, add some colorful sprinkles or a delicate drizzle of contrasting chocolate. Enjoy these buttery, melt-in-your-mouth treats with a cup of tea or coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.